Hey everyone, Sergio with the RideShare Guy with another episode of Sergio's Diaries. These are pretty popular, so I'm going to keep doing them as long as you guys are watching and commenting. And as you all know, I do get in the comments and respond to a lot of you. If you have something like this, or if you have some ideas for me to do a short video on, shoot me an email, sergio@therideshareguy.com. This was on Twitter that caught my eye. It's from Boston Drives, Matt, who has done a couple of really cool videos for us as well. But he's an amazing veteran driver in Boston. He kills it. He makes so much money. He makes probably 2 or 3x of the average driver in Boston because he knows what he's doing. He hunts Surge. I call him a Surge sniper extraordinaire in the city of Boston. But besides that, he posted this. So Matt looks at Uber driving or Lyft driving as a business, right? He calculates. This is what you all have to do. Now, I'm not against Uber putting out these bundled reservations, right? They used to be, most reservations are decent, okay? And that you will definitely make more money by accepting some reservations, airport trips and as such, depending obviously on traffic and your city flow. But the important thing on this is Uber started bundling them, right? So now they'll offer you 2 or 3 in a bundle. And don't just look at the dollar amount, okay? And Matt, posted this, and I thought I would make a quick video about this. So on this one, both trips would have paid $41.15. However, as we know, we have to be online 40 minutes before the first trip. And in this case, both of these trips were going to the airport in Boston, Logan Airport. And according to Matt, traffic is horrible at the hour that supposedly it's at 4 a.m. I don't know how bad traffic could be, but I'm going to read his tweet. He goes, "This trip bundle has you leave the airport empty, paying unreimbursed tolls to head 16 minutes north for the pickup and then back down to the airport. These bundles are inefficient and wasteful, adding to congestion." Well, listen to Matt. Matt is an absolute veteran who exactly knows what he's saying and what he's doing. If you do get these bundles, pay attention to the details. Don't just look at the dollar number and jump on it, right? Because on this bundle, even if this you're going to get up 40 minutes or turn the app on 40 minutes before the first one, assuming, both of these trips are going to take you an hour, maybe an hour and a half. So now we're at 2 hours. So for 2 hours of work, you're getting paid $41, right? So you need to pay attention to the detail. You need to read the small print. You need to analyze everything because this is your small business. So with that said, please be safe out there and join us every Tuesday, 3 p.m. Pacific, 6 p.m. Eastern for Show Me the Money Club on our YouTube channel.